Look, look. I've got time to make plenty of noise. Maybe... I've got the window open of the bathroom, it's okay. We'll just do it. We've got huge cleaning to do today. Midsummer cleaning. I'm going to hoover my bed and the cupboard beside the bed and show you all the treasures I've got in there. It's going to be very exciting. And today there's a funny smell. There's something like potato spray. Sorry, it's a mite, a moth. Yesterday they were spraying the potato field, which is above over there, and it stunk. And I'm wondering, is this the same smell? I really don't like that smell. It's so toxic. Don't like it at all. Anyway, shall we do it? Come on, Henry. You're going to do your best today. And today I've got flip-flops. Well, they're not properly flip-flops. They're sandals, but I'm not going to do my sole now because I still have the skin eruption and it's not very pretty. So you're not going to have a look at my feet till they are better. And I'm not going to apologize for that. So, first of all, shall I do the carpet? It's exciting. Shut the window for noise. Oh, you can't see it.